Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today we are going to talk about crypto.com and some hidden things I'm seeing in the chart for Crocoin. We're going to talk about the loaded lion land price. We're also going to talk about this seemingly invisible Santa Claus rally. So let's hop into this, guys. Guys, we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now. Let's hop into this. Okay, so, our boy Gold Pony Crypto came out and tweeted this picture. And, I said Gold Pony has the Crow Fam's back. He does. But look at this. This is really interesting, guys. So here's the different floor prices and the total lands for what came out in the Low Line land sale. And as of right now, we are sitting at Molten Cavern above 1,000, Blockchain 4,300, Sapphire Lagoon 4,400, Alluring Aurora 160, and Crimson Dunes 70. I'm really curious to see where this goes. I mean, this dipped down. I got my Molten Caverns for about $965, and I think that these guys are on their way up. I think that we'll probably have about $100 floor price for Crimson Dunes. And as we get closer and closer to the bull market and hear more and more news about this game, I think you can see the floor price probably raising up. It's not financial advice or anything. It's just a speculative thing that I think is going to probably end up happening. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys are trying to accumulate, sell, flip them, what you're trying to do with your land. I'm really curious. But personally, Crypto Kip and I are trying to buy up some land and hopefully be able to build something out for the crypto report. I think it'd be really cool if it was I know it's going to be a game, but it'd be really cool if it was like a metaverse project where like you could actually like invite people to and build buildings to hang out with your friends. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, let's move on. So, okay, over at the crypto.com price, okay, the Crocoin price, guys. I want to talk about a few things. Positive things here. We bounced off of the support at 5.5 cents. We were playing around the 6 cents range. We peaked out at about 0.0617 cents. So we almost got to about 6.25 cents, which is pretty cool. I really like to see us bouncing off this. I mean, what do we get from here from the bottom? We got about a 9% price bounce. That's pretty awesome. But something I want to point out here that nobody's really talking about is over here on Market Cipher, we have a green dot on the daily right here. Last time we had a green dot on the daily was back here before we had this run up. Let's measure this move from here, from this green dot up to the peak here. Guys, that was a 33.5% move. Guys, we're getting close to that. We get a little green dot here off the bottom. If this rally continues up and we bounce off this and get a 33% move, we're talking about, it would make sense because we would break previous levels. We'd be getting to about the about the 7.5 cent mark. I think ideally this would be kind of the resistance here, right here at the level about 7 cents. But if we could break past that green dot on Market Cipher, I mean, this could be invalidated, but I love to see these green dots. The green dots on Market Cipher really indicate that we're going to have a bounce, and we are having a bounce. So hopefully we get a continuation. Hopefully this just comes down a little bit. We don't want to see a full-on retest of this line. We would like to see something like that. That's what we want to see. And, there's a good chance that will happen. So let's talk about Binance a little bit, guys, because, I've been wanting to just keep my eye on Binance throughout all this FUD because, somebody over on Twitter made a tweet, and it was really curious because they said, so what do you think happens, or is Binance okay? That's what it was. It was Binance okay? And I responded and I said, if it's not, we can talk about a bull run in 10 years. Because if Binance is not okay, guys, we have a lot more things to worry about than a massive exchange coming down. I mean, that would crush the crypto market significantly. We cannot afford for that to happen. And, quite frankly, I think Binance is absolutely fine. I really do. It was the biggest crypto exchange in the world. And it's the majority of the FUD that's coming out is baseless. There's nothing really behind it. I mean, it's all speculation, and there's not really any facts. And CZ is being really, really transparent, which is pretty crazy to come from a company like Binance. It's pretty incredible, actually. I was really surprised when Crypto.com came out and was being pretty transparent, but what that Binance comes out and is transparent is very, very surprising, and I love to see it, honestly. I mean, we came down a little bit because of the FUD, but that is what it is. It's the bear market, guys. Overall, Binance is up significantly and is honestly probably held up better than almost 99% of all the coins in the entire crypto market since the bull run into the bear market. It's pretty surprising. So I want to also talk about the S&P 500 because this is the second year in a row, guys, that we were supposed to get a Santa Claus rally, and we did not. It's very interesting. I mean, we have crazy bearish macroeconomics happening right now, and it is what it is. I mean, what I was looking at is for us to break above this trend line on the S&P 500, but we did get rejected. The market has been closed today. It was closed yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, Christmas. Today is closed as well. But I am very, very curious to see when this market opens, what's going to happen, guys. What's going to happen? Because if we come down, you guys know I've been saying I don't want to be playing around the under 3,500 mark for the S&P 500. If that's the case and we come down there, I mean, I really think Bitcoin's probably coming down with it. And I don't want that to happen. If that happens, then Crocoin's going to come down. All your favorite altcoins are going to come down. It's going to be bearish. I don't want to see that happen. Now, if we come down to, say, like, here above the 3,500, about the $3,560 mark, and we bounce, I'll be a lot more bullish. But as of right now, I've got a close eye on the S&P 500 because that's kind of what's going to be leading the markets right now. The Federal Reserve, the S&P 500, and just the overall macroeconomics. So let's look over at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we're at 412 days in this bear market from the peak. I mean, you may call it even longer if you measure from the 64K top, but I like to measure from the 69K top because I believe that's the actual top. Some people speculate on that, but that's personally what I like to pull my data from. Guys, 412 days. 412 days in this bear market so far. We are getting closer and closer to the 365 days leading up to the Bitcoin halving. I'm about to change this into a 14. Last time we had 14 red candles was the bottom. The bottom of Bitcoin in the 2017 cycle when we bottomed out in 2018. Guys, it's been over a year since we peaked here at 69K. And now we're at 16,800. We are so close to the bottom, guys. We are so close. And I can't wait to hit the bottom and we start rallying up because then you know what we can say? We finally hit the bottom, guys. I'm really looking forward to that. And we're getting closer and closer, guys. 365 days to the Bitcoin halving. We're going to have some hype start. And we're going to start seeing some recovery. Right now is an amazing time to accumulate, guys. It's quite interesting because I'm not really seeing many people talk about accumulating right now, which is pretty interesting. People are saying, oh, you should wait. I'm buying right now. I'm buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocom, and those are my main purchases right now. I'm also buying some NFTs. I bought into the Loaded Lions Land NFTs, bought some Solana NFTs, but I'm definitely accumulating right now. Right now is an amazing time to be accumulating, guys. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider liking, subscribing, and also please consider becoming a member. We do live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We give lots of perks for our members. We got some huge news I'm super excited to announce, but we'll announce that probably tomorrow on our live stream, so stay tuned for that. There's different tiers and whatnot, and you get different perks. If you get the highest perk, we make a dedicated video for you. We have access to Crypto Kip and I. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun building this community, guys. If you want to be a part of this community, just consider joining, guys. Really appreciate it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.